Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Ally Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Getting started with budgeting using Ally Bank is easy. First, create an Ally Bank account if you don't already have one. Visit the Ally Bank website or download the mobile app. Fill out the application form. Once your account is created, log in to your Ally Bank account. Navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Explore the various budgeting features available. Start by reviewing your income and expenses. Link your external accounts for a comprehensive view of your finances. Categorize your expenses into groups such as housing, groceries, and entertainment. Use the visual tools to see where your money goes each month. Set budget limits for each category based on your financial goals. Monitor your spending regularly to ensure you stay within budget. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect changing priorities. Utilize Ally's alerts to keep track of your spending and savings. Review your budget monthly to analyze your progress. Look for areas to cut back if you're overspending in certain categories. Make a habit of checking your budget before large purchases. As you get more comfortable, set savings goals for upcoming expenses. Consider exploring Ally's savings accounts for higher interest rates. Take advantage of the technology by automating your savings. Stay organized and keep reviewing your financial habits. Soon, you'll find budgeting with Ally Bank becoming second nature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.